to join the Railway Minister on the occasion of this very important briefing on a major new initiative between India and Bhutan on the establishment of rail connectivity between our two countries. Let me take the opportunity before the substantive briefing to set the context and say a few words about the relationship between India and Bhutan. As you are all aware, India and Bhutan share a relationship of exceptional trust, mutual respect, and understanding. This is a relationship that is rooted in cultural and civilizational ties, extensive people-to-people relations, and our shared developmental and security interests. These ties are reflected in very close contact at the highest levels. You would perhaps recall that Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi visited Bhutan last year in March 2024, a visit during which he was conferred the Order of the Druk Gyalpo, which is the highest civilian award of Bhutan. His Majesty, the King of Bhutan, and the Prime Minister of Bhutan have been visiting India regularly. His Majesty, the King, was here earlier for attending the Mahakumbh, and the Prime Minister was here just a few weeks ago to attend the consecration of the Bhutanese temple in Rajgir. On the bilateral relationship itself, the Government of India has been Bhutan's largest provider of developmental assistance and has played a vital role in its modernization, especially in the areas of infrastructure and the overall economic development of the country. For the 13th five-year plan of Bhutan, which runs from 2024 to 2029, the Government of India has committed a support of rupees 10,000 crores, which covers project-tied assistance, high-impact community development projects, the economic stimulus program, and a program grant. And this quantum constitutes a 100% increase over the 12th five-year plan figures.